All right, example 7.4. Find x, then find the measure of a small angle and the measure of a large angle. So just what I was talking about a moment ago. All right, they're telling you to find x first, which is what you have to do. But they're going to that extra step of saying find x, but then also find the measure of these angles. And what we got here is parallel lines cut by transversal. I could have 5,000 parallel lines cut by transversal. As long as it's a single transversal, this angle relates to that angle in some way, shape, or form. All right? When we deal with parallel lines cut by transversal, my advice has always been to focus on acute and obtuse. So looking at this angle here, 4x plus 33, here's the angle. What kind of angle is that?
Obtuse.
That's an obtuse angle, right? And again, your decision making on this is real simple. A right angle looks like this. Acute would be less than 90, obtuse bigger than 90. So that one opens up to bigger than an L, so it's obtuse. And if you look at 3x, which is down here in this nook here, that is acute. All right? The properties that you need to concern yourself with on parallel lines cut by transversal is acute equals acute, obtuse equals obtuse, acute plus obtuse equals 180. Those are your three properties. We have acute and obtuse. The property says they add up to 180. So acute plus obtuse equals 180. You create a good equation. If they were both acute, set them equal to each other. If they're both obtuse, set them equal to each other. If there's one of each, add them up to 180. But again, it's based on a geometric property. All right. Once we get to this point, I've got 7x plus 33 equals 180. Therefore, 7x would equal 147. With the 33 over, change the sign. Divide both sides by 7, get x equals 21. All right. So it said find x. Done. Then it says find the measure of a small angle and a large angle. Okay? The small angle is the acute, the large angle is the obtuse. So, small angle, 3 times 21 is equal to 63 degrees. Yeah, my small angle is right here, 3x. X equals 21. 3 times 21 equals 63. Large angle. I got 4x plus 33. I don't even need to have the 4x plus 33, do I? If I didn't know that, how could I figure out how big the large angle was? 180 minus 63. 180 minus 63 is equal to 117. Or if we'd gone with the 4x plus 33, 4 times 21 plus 33 comes out to 84 plus 33, which of course is 117 degrees also. Take your pick. Just know that if you, let's say they were both obtuse, you have obtuse equals obtuse, you can get x, right? You can use one of the two structures to find out the obtuse measure. You can still find the other measure even though you don't have something sitting in one of the spaces there. Okay, you're able to still do it. All right? So that answers everything. Small angle is 63, large angle is 117, x equals 21. Everything's answered. So that is the end of